Here we come to the low-rise elevators at the Marriott Marquis Hotel in downtown Houston by the George O. Brown Convention Center. I'm getting a take in 60 frames a second this time. These are newer Otis, and we got this one right here. 17. Gosh, listen to that motor on the other elevators. I remember riding one of these elevators a while back.
Seventeenth floor. Going down.
One of the elevator cars have like a very badly obnoxious sounding motor. These are your newer Series 4 fixtures. Tropical vibes in the sky. I love the palm trees. I want to go get a view up on the 17th floor, if no one's waiting.
Lobby. Going up.
Door close one works. I love that. At least the elevator cab is not fully stainless steel. But I do like the astronaut picture in the back. However, I think they could have polished these walls a lot nicer than using these plain, basic steel panels.
Seventeenth floor.
These are kind of slow for this amount of floors. Oh wow, look at the lazy Texas River. Unfortunately, the water is gone. Anyways, we're gonna go back down and into the first floor. We got the same elevator car.
Going down.
We're gonna go down to the lobby and in. Thankfully, this elevator car is running well, but oh my gosh, listen to that other elevator. I'm gonna be honest with you, it's definitely not this elevator car making that noise. This elevator car runs a lot smoother than the other ones in this bank.
Lobby.
All right, here we're at the lobby. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the camera, so that'll be it.